Hello! Welcome back once again! In this video, we'll explore two powerful command line media players for Linux, MPV and CVLC. Both are lightweight, scriptable, and perfect for automation, which is not our concern for now. So let's start! First thing first, what is MPV? So MPV is a lightweight open-source command line media player built on top of FFmpeg. It is designed for speed, simplicity, and power. No unnecessary GUI, no bloat, just pure playback performance. You can use it to play almost any video or audio file, or even stream YouTube or online media using tools like YTDLP. For Noobitas who don't know what is FFmpeg and YTDLP, watch these videos. Anyways, so what makes MPV really special? It is that it's not just a player, it's a framework for playback. You can tweak everything from video filters and scaling to hardware acceleration and key bindings, all through simple text configs. But in this video, we are gonna see how to play video, audio, video with only audio, and how to stream YouTube videos. So if you've ever wanted full control over your media from the terminal, MPV is exactly that tool. Alright, now that we've seen what MPV can do, let's talk about another powerful command line player, CVLC. So what exactly is CVLC? CVLC is basically VLC without the GUI. It's the command line interface of the same legendary Best Ultra Pro Max Power Ranger Super SPD media player, the VLC we all know and use. It uses the same VLC engine underneath, which means it supports a massive range of formats right out of the box. Video, audio, network streams, radio, anything. It's a bit heavier than MPV, but it's insanely versatile. You can control it remotely, record the streams, transcode files, and whatnot. So first thing first, install the MPV and CVLC by sudo apt update and sudo apt install MPV and VLC. Now, let's play some video file. For that, do MPV and path to your video, like this. ~videos and video file with extension and enter. And see, it's working! Anyway, now close this, remove it and play some music. MPV // path to music / memosica / an asterisk. It will play all the file inside that directory, and enter. See? Easy peasy. You can seek forward, backward with keys like left and right, up and down for long seek, space for pause, shift plus greater than for next.
The sky is heavy with a silent roar. Shadows creep, but I want more. Whispers echo from a fractured shore. Can you hear it? Can you
And Q for quit or press Ctrl plus C. Now we put -- quiet here and enter. What? It's embarrassing. Anyway, now for CVLC. We can technically run something like CVLC -- extra intfrc -- quiet / path / to / music. But that's not really the right way. Why? Because the -- extra intf flag adds the remote control interface on top of the default one, which can cause duplicate outputs or extra noise in the terminal. Instead, the proper way is simply CVLC -- I RC, and slash path to music. The -IRC tells VLC to start only in remote control mode, clean and quiet. Now seek 90, enter. Preventer. Volume down, enter. Or volume and value and enter. Like this, volume 200. See? It's easy peasy too. Now quit and enter. Now we can actually use MPV plus YTDLP for streaming. Let's try it. First, get the video link from YouTube. Okay, so we go to this most amazing best in the world CM Punk channel and copy a video link. And in terminal, run the command MPV. Double quotes, paste the link, and -YTDL format equal best. Remember, no gaps in between. Press enter, and voila! See? See? 'Tis what I'm talking about. It can do almost anything, but don't worry. You don't need to know everything to get started. The quality. Okay, now close this. Now let's do one more with someone else's video. Okay, now David Bombal, and copy the link. Go to terminal. Remove this. Paste this. Come here. Double quotes and best video, big brackets. Height less than or equal to 720. Best audio. /best and enter. Wait a little. Okay, see? See? This is what it is.
And include information about how teams will communicate without work email and other analog workarounds. It seems that in 2025, we are going back to analog systems.
Open this and check the resolution.
Cybersecurity reasons. Would you recommend?
And see? It's 720p.
So
okay, so now, Q for quit. Now you can find options for MPV here. Run MPV-help. See? This for only video. Wait a sec. Clear and Okay, so this for only video, this for only audio. Let's try. MPV-no video. And enter. Okay. Okay, so let me just check more options to control media. Don't care. Not care too. This. Shift plus backspace. We have seen this already. Okay, so for volume, this is the option.
Symphony of hope, a voice so tall it lifts me.
Whatever. Control C, run it again. Okay, so this for volume 2. And this one here is good. And then we have this, and this, and this, and this, and this, this, and this, 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 blah, 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 blah. Okay, close it. Okay, let's string with CVLC2. Just run CVLC and paste the link and enter. What? What the Linux? Quit. Okay, why? Okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do with piping with YTDLP. Actually, VLC can stream without the need of any external tool, but gotta fix some things in that. Whatever, let's do YT-DLP-F best-O-, meaning write to standard route, and paste the link. Pipe to CVLC and dash, meaning read from standard input, and enter. And hopefully it should work now. See? This is what I'm talking about. See? See? Close this. Okay, now quit this. And one last thing, do it yourself. Play this song without video with MPV. For Nubita, MPV-video-no? Gotcha. It's -no-video. Paste the link. Dash YTDL format equal to best. Enter and wait for it. Okay, close this. Clear. And okay, so that was it. Wait for which is best, MPV versus CVLC. But first, hear this. Hope you like the tutorial. If true, like the video and subscribe. Subscribe. Else, whatever. Okay, now talk a little about MPV versus CVLC. So, when it comes down to MPV versus CVLC, both are awesome, but MPV is lightweight, fast, and super clean. It's perfect for daily use. It uses very little CPU, starts instantly, and gives you full control. CVLC, on the other hand, is slightly heavier but more powerful for automation and network tasks. It can directly handle streams, record or transcode files, and even be controlled remotely, which makes it great for servers or background tasks. So, in fast, I mean in short, use MPV for everyday use. That's it. Anything else? Okay, so clear this. Perform the rituals. An exorcism of terminal and exit. And Control plus C.